Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. In today's video I am showing you the installation of our ceiling fan in our bedroom. We got it today, and usually when we pick up stuff like this, we get them installed the very same day. No, this is not a how-to video, so it's a pretty short video. I'm just sharing an update of what's happening in my home with you guys. If you've been here before, you know that we moved in less than 2 years ago, and we're taking it baby step at a time as it comes to getting everything done in the house. We got the 2 ceiling fans for the boys' bedroom a couple weeks ago. Well, a couple weeks before we got this fan, and we installed them the same day we got them. So we're pretty excited to get our ceiling fan and to install it as well. If it sounds like my voice is cracking, it's because I've been doing a lot of talking. I've had a couple videos recorded and I needed to edit those. And then I also recorded part of a video on the same day that I'm doing this. So my voice is tired, and I apologize if it's not the usual soothing voice that you hear, because I've been told that my voice is soothing. We bought this fan on Amazon. It is a smart fan, and I am in love with it. I love the light. You can change the color, so it has like 3 different colors, and I love the bright white. This is the bright white here in this video with us, and I'm looking at how nice. This is what it looks like at the end of the day at night time in your own house. And that is it for this video, guys. If you made it this far, thank you so much for spending a little bit over 2 minutes of your life with me, and I'll see you right here in another video soon. Bye.